Let me show Wajee first. Wajee. The new structure we have. We hope that when those climbers climb on them, they'll all look green and they'll look lovely. And there are 4 rooms, but each of them can be used as a family room. You can use both of them. So if I can take you inside, you can see the way they look like. They're really built with a theme of the village, the circle, because always the life in an African home was always a circle. And the circle means the world. And therefore the heart is round, the pot is round. And if you look at most of the things, they're round, whether it is the dress. So it's life, and it's the world. The world is round or oval. So this is the room. And what it does have is that it has a shared toilet and shower. So you have the shower, you have the toilet, and therefore this room will also share.
So 2 rooms share one.
Share one. So if you want, as a family, it becomes one. You can keep the kids on one side, and you can be on that. So the whole idea is you can have your own privacy, you can lock it, therefore you're on your own. If there's a door here, there's a door there. At the same time, it's shared. Upstairs, we'll do a garden here. So that when people are sitting down, they can sit down and watch the birds and watch the environment, the place. So if you go up here, the difference here is that it will have a balcony. We're going to extend this to here. But if you want to just sit down here during breakfast and have your breakfast here, you can have.
Maybe you should put railings so kids don't fall.
No, there will be railings. This is not finished.
Oh.
But that crack is worrying. Mbona pale pamevunjika nani hivyo? Looks like it didn't settle very well.
Fundi alikuwa anasema they have to do it again.
All again?
The stairs. Hata ukipandia hapa, zinatetemeka.
It's not very well done. Okay, so this one needs extension. And these are the same as downstairs. So what we have done is to put in hollow floor, so that when you're here you cannot hear the sound. When you're down you cannot hear the sound of the person who is up here. And then did a makuti thatching so that it looks much more traditional. We would have done with the Kikuyu grass, but here it rots too much because of it's too wet. And makuti can stay another 10 years or so. Okay, we don't wait. So then the same part of the setup. And that's not very well done. Maji kumwagia manini.
Hapa.
You need to stop it in between. Yeah. That's the one I was saying. It's a great cat.
Great cat wobbler.
And that's, is that Camaraptor?
That's the grey-backed Camaroptera.
The greyback.
Tree.
Mm-hmm. Is it rain yesterday? Isn't it? Yeah, it looks it. There is a cat which is yeah.
Moranga way. What about Nairobi?
Nairobi has rained.
Yes.
We happen to be lucky to be put in the mood accidentally.
Probably. I think it's okay because people are not doing this. And I don't hear it here a lot. The other guy I'm
And then we have the other one. There's African emerald cuckoo. That which looks like, hello Judy.
Okay.
Hello Judy.
What about the other?
Red-chested cuckoo.
The red-chested cuckoo.
This is hello Judy.
Okay.
African emerald cuckoo. I probably will get it.
Wajee will love that. Hello, Judy. I think his girlfriend is called Judy.
Like him.
Hello, Judy. The birds are singing.
You guys are listening to this.
And the Volkiango will be like, it will rain.
It will rain. That's what it is.
It's even
It
called
will
the
rain.
rainbow. There's
This
a
is
sunbird.
Nanese tree. And they enjoy greening here. You'll be so happy. Remember when we planted this?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's 95.
95. It's 96. 95.
95.
Where's Wajee's tree? Listen. That one.
Okay, I know they think about
That one.
We'll call. No, that sounds like sunbird.
Could it be actually a sunbird?
That's a sunbird. Because think about will do that call ponk 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 ponk.
Yeah, I've had that in me. That yeah. I'll tell you the bird because I used to think it is. I used to think it is a seed eater. It is not a seed eater. It's also a seed eater has a very sharp.
Yeah.
That's why I keep on saying that. So long as on the boundary, it's always good.
Have the guava here in the squirrel glove.
And they're already in season. Is this about to be in season?
Oh, common bulbul.
Yeah, go.
But you know.
Oh, they love also. You know, I had planted Nini, maybe they are not looked after. Along the line, we go under the wires. I've actually planted guavas and loquats all the way from up. So you can look.
I know there are lots of locals.
Yeah.
But guava.
Even guavas I had planted, I had gotten them from back.
Even here I would say it's a Abyssinian.
Oh,
First of all, because of the size
it's
and
bigger.
and the ring. The ring looks more spectacular in Abyssinian, and it looks big. Okay, if the sky was good from the
They're
breast,
fantastic.
it
And
should be
also
like.
have become Nini here. They used to be very rare.
Hmm.
Yeah, these days I see them often and they're beautiful birds.
Like I can see 4 of them.
Yeah, more have
5.
come. Yeah.
Oh, what was that? This is something.
Yes. I thought it was a tambourine dove.
Oh, no, it looks like it's a hawk.
Oh, then it is a
The
Nini.
tail is long. Double collared. It's now facing us.
Oh, yeah. Almost looking like a
A
yellow
variable. It looks like a
variable sunbird. And it's the double collared.
double collared.
And this guy here?
During the day.
Yes.
Oh.
The bamboo and the Nini. And this moringa, which is down. And I used to look, you know, before I used to think they are nests. Then I would come back and find, you think they are Nini.
Yeah.
The genetics burst also on top of the ring.
I don't know how they don't. I don't think it is.
Because I can't see very well with even the binoculars. It looks like a nest. You can see the movement and the breathing.
But the
What's this?
bushes, I know the mangoes, you see them during the day. On trees, even though they are nocturnal, they are something that they not locate them during the day. Homestead,
Okay.
I'll show you.
I saw one hanging on a very thin Nini.
Near the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also for the spectacle view.
How does the sunbird? Did it make a
The
flat one?
sunbird, it's
Very
smaller,
fluffy.
it's smaller, and the inside it's fluffy.
Very fluffy, yeah. Once it makes that noise, it's going to fly across. That's the same. That's the height.
What's here?
Are you
I can't. It's the bush. There's a bush blocking, but I know it's there because the branches are moving.
Keep on focusing there. I think what we'll also need in future is a playback.
In fact,
Because-
if you go to the ornithological department,
Yeah.
they can give you you take the tape, and then you come with it. We used to have it before.
I have a tape.
Tape recorder.
Yeah.
The tip of it.
I have the tape of the high bubble.
You have it.
Yeah.
So all you need is a player.
Yeah.
And that I can buy you like yesterday. Why since you are there, they can't buy. This thing
Because
looks like
you
it
see,
has
if we had used the other track, we couldn't locate
you
them.
could not have tried them.
So when you have the playback,
And it sounds like there are two there. But it's the same guy.
I think it's one, but we'll see. Tricky CD. Oh no,
It's a
mouse
mouse.
bird. Tropical bulbul.
Yeah, I saw it just now.
You know, I'm tending to scare them with that call.
A mouse bird.
It's like the bulbuls and the green bulls. They normally help me in locating where the owl is.
Because of the noise.
Like when the owl.
You can see the boo-boo, I mean the boo-boo up there. And pick it up, Wajee.
Yeah, I found it.
That's the one who had that duet.
That's a hind babbler.
Yeah.
But I had nothing. It's incredible. They were on the ground and I just stood. That's what happened. When you don't have a camera, you stood. But taking a good photo, you can. A lot of people.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the
Even the
African
eyes.
wood owl. And you know, in Kiangoma, they have the big owl who do this. Okay, the name is the big owls with the Verox eagle owl.
The thing
The huge one, Kiangoma High School.
they breed them.
Okay, Lazarus works there. He was telling me like Verox eagle owl.
The good thing with them is that you could tell they were different. They were huge.
They were huge, and
tiny.
then the eyes
Yeah.
are blue.
And they used to come at the lights
Oh,
at the house.
I had
In
like
fact, I
they
remember
were staying near
coming
the
and
Newtonian.
then Judy, I don't know whether she told you,
No.
claimed that the owls are here. So when I looked at them, I told her, these are not yours. She said, no, they are. I said, no. So I took
There's a tambourine HQ.
you can see it well.
You can probably get close.
When they came, they were sitting on a big tree outside the room all the time. Then they disappear. And I couldn't see, can you check me this is anybody with a little phone? Because that's the only with a kid.
There you can go. I've seen them.
You've done that
Verox eagle owl.
Normally they do come here occasionally.
Possibly also when the book is
Yeah, I can get the whole of it now.
Looking at you.
Ah, big eyes.
Himself, you know, the way it goes with that flappy head of it. All of it.
expecting.
Okay.
And when it sings, you'd like to listen to that music.
Beautiful. What I was thinking on this particular place is, one, I was thinking that maybe one day we should just put shallow stones to about here, round, looking rugged, whatever it is, so that we don't put a fence as such, because they can't come out of the new. Then after that,
it's really big for the
it's too
for
big.
the, for the
Then after
tortoises.
that, we need to put a pit with sand.
Pit.
One time they did lay eggs.
So that they can nest.
The eggs might not even be fertile here because of the altitude. But I think it is one of the things you can check on the global warming. Because when
Now the harrier, since it was nesting, since it's sitting on the egg, the harrier will try to get the eggs and the chicks, but it can't do it.
you ever tried to plant the seeds of the
Meru,
because now they keep on getting the seeds. Good to
do
try.
you have a mature Meru?
So if you can get them and get the pieces, there used to be many here. You can plant them even along the fences. They're very good.
And you know, they grow cuttings.
Cuttings, yeah. So this is the best time you can be able to do it. You tend to be natural. The dog knows.
Yeah, it's very hidden. Okay, Kevin. So focus.
I'm focused on it.
Not working.
It used to go.
Let me check with you. That's why it's like that. Let me see whether you can see it. Yeah, but it's partly hidden.
So good, eh?